Okay, so for this, I'm gonna be doing problem number 2. So here I have it copied. So you look at the problem while I'm doing it. So basically, what you're gonna do first is just asking you to find the solution. So what that means is that you just solve for x, right? So or you could look at it another way to make the solution true. So it's saying that um, a variable here that multiplies by 6 and you add by 7 is gonna equal all of this, which you need to find that variable that makes this equation true, right? So first things you would do is you would distribute, right? So you have this, so you would do 4x, it would be minus 4 over 2, which you can reduce to negative 2 if you want, and then you have x to distribute the negative as well. So you do x plus 2 over 3 since you're distributing a negative, and then you distribute the 5, which would be plus 5x minus 10 over 5, which is basically 2 as well. Yeah. So now you have equaling all that equals 6x plus 7. So now you have this. So the next step to this is just combining like terms. So what that basically means is that every single term that kind of looks the same, or I guess that has the same either variable or so for example, like you would combine 4x plus x plus 5x, right, and that would equal 10x, and then you combine all of these. Um, so it would be negative 2. So this could be simplified to 2, negative 2, right? This could be simplified to negative 2. So if you combine these two, then it would just be negative 4. You can look at it as negative 4 over 1 when you're combining with this because it's a fraction. And then you would do negative 1, negative 4 over 1, and then plus 2 over 3. And I guess the first rule to this is finding the denominator, making it equal. So then you would have 12 over 3, that's a negative, plus 2 over 3, which would equal 10 over 3, right? And then so that would be plus 10 over 3, or minus 10 over 3, right? And then you equal 6x plus 7. So now you're at this step. Now this might look a little more familiar to like algebra 1. So it's pretty simple. So you add 10 over 3 here. So you would do 7 over 1 plus 10 over 3, right? And you would find the common denominator again, which is 3. And there would be 21 over 3 plus 10 over 3, right? I'm just basically rewriting this when I multiplied. So it would be 31 over 3. So it would be 31 over 3. So now, I'm going to make this a little bigger. So now you have 10x equaling 6x plus 31 over 3. So now what you do here is you move the x, you move the x over, so it would be minus 6x, and then you would do what's 10 minus 6, 4x, and then equaling 31 over 3, right? And then just divide by 4, and since now you have the 4 here, you just do 31 times 3 times 4, and so it would be 31 over 12, which would be if you go back to the problem, this is answer A. So if you got A, you would get A for this one.